ari kugambira aha mukoro ogwo kutongoza Ehururu ori Division Commander Major General James Birungi agizire ngu Ehururu ebaze kubeyo businguzi ahabo businje oburi omuchanga.
There is peace, and I want to use this opportunity to thank the President of Uganda, the Commander-in-Chief, and the government of NRM for ensuring that there is peace not only in the region but also in the whole country.
Major General Birungi ajumirire abataka abine entekateka yenyuma iri kubaretera bagumana bakore bintu ebiri kwendera bisisire Eby'Obuhangwa bwensi.
But just because we don't understand what the other people, the so-called wise ones, tell us, we end up spoiling what we have and therefore come again to restore what was there. When they came here, they said that we should have farms. Go out there in the Bara and see what was there before. But now, because they are saying that we must have farms, everything has been cleared.
Birungi ahigire abantu bona okwatanisiza hamwe omukurinda Eby'Obuhangwa bwensi kandi yajumirira nabo abinomuze ogwo kutema bibira bitu bakalimwa kugaruka ku byara Emiti.
Let us wake up now like people now have to. Sensitize our body. Even back home, when you are saying, tell them when you go back, they don't cut the tree. Before they stopped the charcoal burning in the bull, if you could see how many bags of charcoal were moving.
Let schools take up this. Let prominent business people. You are an investor, you own property and you have. Why don't you take up this? You can buy 1,000 trees and let people plant them. You can donate how many trees because you have the capacity.
Benon Boaruha or the programs manager ahawa NRDI agambire ahamugasho hoguri ahakureba ngo bagaruzaho Eby'Obuhangwa omuchange cyatoro ahamwe na Renzori ari kugira ngo obwiro bwinji Eby'Obuhangwa nibishishwa abantu na nemirimo eyibari kwani bakora.
It is devastating. I was somewhere in Toroko and found when the whole barracks had been carved out by the river and taken to the Congo side by River Semuliki. All these are impacts of climate change. If you went to Kasese, you've seen how River Nyamwamba has destroyed government property, the hospitals, the people's homesteads and lives. All these are impacts.
Waruha nagira ngo obwahati Ehururu egenderire kureba ngo yayambaho ahabantu okumanya ngo kurinda Eby'Obuhangwa n'ekintu na mnonga ahampinda hinduka yobwire ari kugira ngo bine kufayo okurinda hamwe na no kureba ngo Eby'Obuhangwa tibyashishwa.
So we say to conserve the environment is something that we are doing for the generations that will come after us to find. Because those of you who could have been here maybe 20 years ago could attest that the lakes that were here were maybe having a very big water mass. Maybe this was a forest, but due to this population growth, we have explored areas to settle, to operate like this institution.
Nestarari oriho muhwezi owa RCC ahabwa Fortportal ahire okurabura kw'amani ahabantu na nebitongore abari kwejumbiraho mukushisha Eby'Obuhangwa bwensi.
Coming for you. Please don't spoil the environment. If you have a wetland nearby you, don't dump soils there. Don't construct houses there. Use it for fish farming. Use it for, the recommended activities of a wetland.
Our team.
Amakuraga gashakwa Justin Nyakaisiki ahabwa Tayari West.